Hi, I'm registered dietitian Sherry Steinball with Michigan Beans. And if you're looking for some recipes that are easy, healthy, delicious, and affordable, you've come to the right place. We're cooking today with some dry Michigan navy beans. And I know you may have shied away from cooking with dry beans in the past, thinking that they take too long, but I'm going to show you a method that's super easy. First of all, if you do have time, the traditional method of soaking the beans overnight and cooking them on the stovetop can be found at michiganbean.com. But today we're going to use the Instant Pot. And Instant Pot is a pressure cooker. You may have heard about them. A lot of people have them now, but it really cuts down on your cooking time for beans and they turn out perfect. So what I've got is 8 cups of water here in the Instant Pot. And we're going to add 1 pound of dry Michigan navy beans to those 8 cups of water. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And it's optional to put in a bay leaf for flavor, but I like to add that in, and about 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Then what we're going to do is make sure that our top is on there nice and secure. Make sure that the valve is sealed. And we're going to turn that pot on for about 25 minutes for them to cook. 25 minutes. So again, it will take about 20 minutes for the pressure to come up so it's hot enough. Then the countdown on the cooking will start. When that timer is up, do not release the valve quickly. Let it do it on its own, and that will take maybe about another 20-25 minutes for that steam to release. And our beans will turn out perfect. And the best thing is you'll have enough beans, about 5 or 6 cups really of cooked beans, to use in 2 if not 3 different recipes. So I want to show you a couple of my favorite easy recipes today that are very, very healthy, so very affordable, and they use convenient ingredients. So what we have first here is a Greek skillet pasta, and I've started this already so you can see how easy it is, but we've got 2 cans of diced Italian tomatoes in there. I've got 8 ounces of dry penne pasta that I have cooked and added to this pan. And then I've got 2 cups of our cooked navy beans in there. So that is already getting nice and bubbly. And when that is hot, what you're gonna do is add in almost a whole package of baby spinach to this. It might sound like a lot, but you know the spinach wilts down and it adds a great color to that. Then what you're gonna do to serve it, that's how easy it is. You're just gonna put that on a plate. You can add a protein to it if you like, but you certainly don't have to. The beans count as a fabulous protein source, so full of fiber as well. And we're gonna add some feta cheese to the top of that. If you don't like feta cheese, you can certainly add like a Parmesan cheese. And that dish is ready to go. And it is a family favorite. I assure you kids will like it as well. The other recipe that's one of my family's favorites is a white chicken chili. And what I've done here, again, I've already started to prepare this for you, is I have 6 cups of our cooked navy beans in here. I've got 2 cups of diced chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken if you like. I've got a little bit of sauteed onion, about a 1/2 cup in there. And what I've added, which is really fun ingredient, a whole jar of salsa. Pick your favorite salsa, pick it hot, pick it mild, whatever you would like. And I add some cumin to mine, about a tablespoon, a teaspoon of cumin, whichever you prefer. You can make it more spicy if you want. And then I've got 8 ounces of shredded cheese in there. This again is where you can make it individualized. If you like it hot, use a pepper jack cheese, use a Colby Jack cheese. It makes it just nice and creamy and so very delicious. Then what we're gonna do is just serve that with some blue corn chips. I like that to add the color difference, add some great carbohydrates to a very, very easy meal. So these recipes can be found at michiganbean.com along with much more information on Michigan beans and more recipes. So I hope you enjoy. Stay safe and healthy.